Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George and this is SaaS Master. Today we're going to check out a brand new deal from AppSumo, which is ShortPixel. It's an image compressing software for WordPress. It comes in the form of a plugin, and it's going to auto compress all your images that you start uploading, or you compress for your old images that you already have on your site. So this is ShortPixel. The price starts at $39. It's on a lifetime deal, so you got to pay once and you have it forever. So what does $39 cover? Let's just go down here and show you what it's gonna include. Hold on, here we go. And for one code, so if you pay one time $39, you're gonna have all the features above included, which are these right here. They're gonna be in the description also. And then it's gonna include 12,000 image compression. So that means every month it's gonna reset and it's gonna let you do another 12,000 images, which is a pretty good amount. Next thing you got is the use on multiple websites. So you can use this on multiple websites and you can assign how many compressions that website can do. So for example, you can add one site and you can tell it, hey, only 5,000 images a month for this one, 2,000 for this one, and you can divide the 12,000 on all those sites. It includes the 2 WordPress plugins that I'm going to show you right now. And you can do up to 100 gigabytes of CND traffic a month. So this is a much faster compression if you do it through CDN, and it's included. Okay, if you don't find that 12,000 images is enough, all you got to do is buy more codes and you can stack them. So you can see double code is 24,000 images and 60,000 images for like 5 codes, which is the max. And let's head on over to our WordPress site so you guys can check it out. And I have already installed ShortPixel, but it's super easy. All you got to do is head on to plugins, add new. There you go. Just type in ShortPixel, and they're gonna pop up. There we go. And all you got to do is install and activate it. Once you have it installed, they should be, hold on, in settings. And there you go, ShortPixel. I'm gonna click on it. And what this does is optimize your images so it doesn't cause stress on your hosting service. So for example, when you buy a hosting service, it includes like a 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes of RAM, it includes so much space and like current use. So all that amounts to, if you have big images, it's gonna stress your server, your hosting plan, and it's also going to take much longer for the user to view your site. So if someone logs into your page and you have big images, like big file size images, it's going to take longer to load and people are just going to leave. So what this does is help you compress the image without losing the quality. It depends what you're looking for. So you got 3 types of compressions right here, which is lossy, glossy, and lossless. That means how much do you want to compress this image? Do you want to lose some quality or just like kind of look like it? So like glossy, and it gives you the warnings. If you guys compress too much, it's gonna say, hey, you're gonna kind of look at the image quality losing a bit. But hey, do you want speed? And is the image not so important? So I gotta tell you guys something. If you have a site like photography, you don't want to compress your sites. You do want your full quality image, or at least give the option to have both. Because on photography, you really want the best quality to show. But for rest of the sites, just like sales sites, blog sites, you just want to compress the images so they load as fast as possible. So once you select what type of compression you want, you're ready to go. You can also include apply compression also to image thumbnails, so you can compress thumbnails. If you don't want to do that, you just take it off. And image backup, do you want to compress but also save the normal quality image? So you want to keep your image intact, you can compress a brand new one. Or if you don't want to take up server space, you just remove it and it's just going to compress it and get rid of the original. Remove the EXIF tag images. This is recommended because it's more easier. You can see the information right here. Next thing, it's really cool, resize large images. So for example, there's no point on uploading an image like 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, which is a pretty big image format, if there's no point of it. I mean, you're not really going to look at the quality. You don't have that big of an image monitor, for example, so you compress it by that way also. So it helps you reduce the size on that. All right, these are the changes that you can do, like general changes. Then there's the advanced changes that you got to take a look at and just see what you want to use and what you don't want to use. Now, something I got to tell you guys is that ShortPixel can do this automatically. So every time you upload a brand new image or start a new blog and you add an image, it'll auto compress it. If you don't want to auto compress it, you can just change it there and do like a bulk optimization, which is this right here. Once you're here, you can optimize images. Like for example, I got smart thumbs. I got 322 images that I can compress. So I'm gonna start it right now, so you guys can see. And it's gonna start compressing these images. These are old images. So after I installed my blog, I started doing some blog posts, I installed ShortPixel. So what I got to do right now is optimize the old images. But from now on, when I upload new images, it's just going to do it by itself. So you can see it's doing it. It optimized by 62%. So that's pretty cool. And I'll do this a little bit later because I'm working on the video right now. So, alright guys, ShortPixel is a pretty awesome tool to have. It's like a must-have for any website. If you want to have better speed, you need to compress those images. And the cool thing about ShortPixel is that it compresses it with losing a little bit of quality. I guess like 90% of people are not even gonna notice the quality loss. So that's a pretty cool thing. Well, alright guys, my name is George. This is SaaS Master. If you guys are interested in buying ShortPixel, lifetime deal, the link is gonna be in the description. So head on over. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys later.